Hello, and in today's video I'm going to do something a little different. On the channel I've been covering how to capture all sorts of photo and videos, but someone asked me what we do with all of that data. So I thought I'd put a couple of videos together showing some examples of what's been delivered to clients to give you some ideas on things you might want to consider for your own clients. In many cases, we produce everything end to end, but in some cases, we work with other companies who provide services we don't offer. And today's video is an example of that. Here, a client enlisted our help to provide video and photos of a new commercial property. They then mixed that with some fantastic imagery showcasing the area, plus overlays to provide additional information. The result is a fantastic tool for their clients to use to market the property. I'm going to include the whole video here for you to enjoy, but if you have any questions or have clients that need something like this, feel free to reach out. Enjoy. Well, I hope you liked that video. As always, I love to hear from you, so feel free to drop any comments or questions, and I will see you in the next video.